A ganglion cyst is a non-cancerous, fluid-filled lump that commonly forms along tendons or joints, usually in the wrists or hands. While ganglions are generally harmless, they can cause discomfort and limit joint mobility. Many individuals seek natural remedies to manage these cysts and alleviate symptoms without resorting to invasive procedures. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 remedies for ganglion, focusing on natural approaches that can be easily incorporated into daily life. 1. Warm compresses. Applying warm compresses to the affected area can help reduce pain and promote the dissipation of the cyst. The warmth improves blood circulation, which aids in the reabsorption of the fluid within the ganglion. Use a clean cloth soaked in warm water and apply it to the cyst for 15 to 20 minutes several times a day. 2. Epsom salt soaks. Soaking the affected hand or wrist in an Epsom salt solution can be beneficial in reducing inflammation and relieving pain associated with ganglion cysts. Dissolve Epsom salt in warm water and soak the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes. This remedy can be repeated a few times a week. 3. Turmeric and ginger tea. Both turmeric and ginger possess anti-inflammatory properties that may help alleviate symptoms of ganglion cysts. Incorporate these spices into your diet or enjoy them in the form of tea. Turmeric and ginger tea can be made by boiling a teaspoon of each spice in water for 10 minutes. Drink this tea regularly to experience potential anti-inflammatory benefits. 4. Castor oil packs. Castor oil has been used for centuries for its anti-inflammatory properties. Applying castor oil packs to the ganglion cyst can help reduce swelling and discomfort. Soak a clean cloth in castor oil, place it on the cyst, and cover it with a plastic wrap. Apply heat using a hot water bottle for 20 to 30 minutes. Repeat this process regularly. 5. Massage therapy. Gentle massage around the ganglion cyst may help stimulate blood circulation and encourage fluid drainage. Use a circular motion with light pressure while massaging the area. It's crucial to be gentle to avoid causing further irritation. 6. Dietary changes. Some individuals find relief from ganglion cyst symptoms by making dietary adjustments. A diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods, such as fatty fish, fruits, vegetables, and nuts, may contribute to overall joint health. Additionally, staying hydrated is essential for promoting joint lubrication. 7. Arnica gel. Arnica, a natural anti-inflammatory agent, is available in gel form and can be applied topically to the ganglion cyst. Regular application may help reduce swelling and discomfort. Ensure that you follow the instructions on the product label and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. 8. Wrist exercises. Engaging in gentle wrist exercises can help maintain joint flexibility and prevent stiffness associated with ganglion cysts. Consult with a physical therapist or healthcare provider to learn suitable exercises that won't exacerbate the condition. While ganglion cysts are generally benign, their presence can cause discomfort and impact daily activities. These natural remedies offer individuals the opportunity to manage symptoms without resorting to surgical interventions. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before attempting any new remedies, especially if you have underlying health conditions or concerns about the cyst. Integrating these remedies into a holistic approach to joint health may contribute to overall well-being and comfort for individuals dealing with ganglion cysts.